Hello, this is No Surrender, and I'm your host, Justin Cole. If you've ever been knocked down, felt alone in the most challenging parts of your life, or wondered how to keep going when everything inside you says quit, this show is for you. Here, we don't romanticize struggle, we study it. We'll talk to people who stared fear, addiction, burnout, and impossible odds in the face and decided not to stay down. We'll dig into real stories, practical moves, and the moments that turn losing ground into new purpose. You'll hear hard facts about the toll of disengagement, mental health, and substance struggles, but you'll also hear what breaks through those numbers. Courage, community, conviction. Our mission is simple but enormous: to directly or indirectly help every soul on this planet to learn from the toughest times and grow stronger together. This is why we exist. That's what this show is for. Each episode starts with a story, a really bad situation that turned into a lesson, a moment of no surrender or surrender that led to clarity. Then we dig in. Honest conversations, tough questions, actionable takeaways, a place to get fired up and get to work on the life only you can build. If you're ready to refuse the easy exit, to get back up, and to surrender only to what truly matters, join us. Share the journey. Invite someone who needs to hear that they don't have to do it alone. Stand with us. Fight with us. Give back with us. This is No Surrender.